Alright, now you record me. Are you gonna do the unboxing? Huh? Alright. You gotta carry it down the steps then.
What?
You gotta carry it down the steps.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
So then you gotta record me carrying it down the steps.
Why would I carry down the steps?
Because you can't do it right here.
Why not?
Because I have to lay it flat.
Okay.
Ugh. Alright, so she's gonna ever so gently okay. No, she's not gonna ever so gently open the box. You guys don't know, but she used to be a car girl. If I could find a picture of her Civic, I'm gonna put it in here for y'all and let y'all know how she was killing the game. Come on, you got this. How long does it take for her to open a box? The world may never know. Watch out for the plant. Alright, that's good, that's good. There before it starts raining. Yeah, they gotta get it in there perfect.
I thought I did this side already.
I might need that box, so hold on to this one. As you guys can see, this is the first part to the new part that we just got. Can anybody tell me what that part is? I don't think she knows what it is. So, no. That's the first part right there. Take it easy. Take it easy. That's all I was saying. You're probably gonna have to put it on the floor. It'd be easier to take it out. She's just tossing everything. Or slide the box forward that way.
I'ma be back.
She really went in the box. Crazy. So these pieces here go on the front bumper. I don't think I'm gonna need it because of the Voltex bumper that I have, but I'm not 100% sure yet, so once I know for sure, then you know, I'll know. But this here is supposed to go in the front bumper, so that way when you put the fenders on, it all flows together. But like I said, I don't think I need it because of the Voltex bumper. She says she knows what it is, guys. Do you think she knows what it is? Woo! Okay. Okay. What is it? What is it?
It's a fender.
Well, what kind of fender? I've said it multiple times in the videos.
She's racing fender.
Oh, she knows. Hey, look how wide this thing is. She don't give a shit. Okay. Damn, this shit is wide.
Big as hell.
Yeah.
What?
It is hot as hell, boy.
I'm sweating.
Okay. I'm probably gonna get rid of this box. I'm probably gonna regret it later. But whatever. Oh, I'm hot as shit too. Alright guys, so you see it there. You can put it down. The J's fenders is officially here. So you guys already know what's about to happen next. And I know some of you guys are gonna ask me, Phil, are you gonna cut this out and put a clear deflector in there? I don't know, maybe not. You think I should put a clear one in there or keep the orange? Well, amber.
Clear.
She likes the clear look too. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh man,
What?
we might have to get some wider wheels.
Nah. You gotta remember, my front wheels are pretty cambered. I think it'll be fine. If not, I'll just relip the wheels that I have until like I find a better set that I want. That shit is gonna be crazy, bruh. Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking crazy. I can't wait. Once it's officially on there, you guys are gonna definitely see it. This is gonna look immaculate. Y'all ready for this new setup or what? So S2K, man, I'm telling y'all, this modify your car on a budget series is gonna go up, up, up. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. If you want to be a part of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will be picking 2 giveaway winners. So if you want to be a part of it, make sure you guys comment down below, highly official, and we'll see who wins, man. I'll put everybody's name that commented in this video in like a random number picker or a random name picker on the internet. If you've been a part of my videos before, you know how I do it. So yeah, if you want to be a part of it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. I'm out.